Today we're looking into what really happened to Anthony Bourdain, the world-famous chef, author, and travel documentarian whose death shocked millions across the globe. Known for his raw honesty, adventurous spirit, and deep curiosity about people and cultures, Bourdain appeared to be living a dream life. But, behind the cameras, there were struggles many people never fully saw. So now, many are asking, what really happened to Anthony Bourdain? Let's find out. Anthony Bourdain became a global icon after the success of his best-selling book Kitchen Confidential, which transformed him from a chef into one of television's most respected storytellers. Through shows like No Reservations and Parts Unknown, he traveled the world exploring food, culture, politics, and the human experience. What made Bourdain different was his ability to connect with ordinary people everywhere he went. He wasn't just talking about food, he was telling stories about life, struggle, and humanity. But despite his success, Bourdain had long been open about battling personal demons throughout his life, including addiction, depression, loneliness, and emotional struggles. In June 2018, while filming an episode of Parts Unknown in France, tragedy struck. Bourdain was found dead inside his hotel room in Kaysersberg, France, by his close friend and fellow chef Eric Rippert. French authorities later confirmed that Anthony Bourdain died by suicide by hanging at the age of 61. Investigators stated there were no signs of foul play, and toxicology reports reportedly found no narcotics in his system. Following his death, there was intense public discussion about what may have contributed to his emotional state during his final days. Reports pointed to personal struggles, emotional stress, exhaustion from constant travel, and difficulties in his relationship with actress Asia Argento. However, people close to Bourdain repeatedly emphasized that no single event could fully explain his death, and many warned against reducing such a complex mental health tragedy to one cause. His death sparked a worldwide conversation about depression, mental health, and how even highly successful people can silently struggle. So, what really happened to Anthony Bourdain? Anthony Bourdain tragically died by suicide in June 2018 while filming in France. His death shocked fans because he appeared outwardly successful, adventurous, and fulfilled, but it also became a painful reminder that mental health struggles can affect anyone, regardless of fame or achievement. Even after his death, Bourdain's influence remains enormous. His work continues inspiring people to travel, stay curious, appreciate different cultures, and connect with others through food and storytelling. From rebellious chef to one of the world's most respected cultural voices, Anthony Bourdain's legacy continues to live on long after his passing. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on public figures and their lives, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.